Okay, now, good evening everyone. Now we're going to show you how we can replace the battery of an indoor electronic lock. So,
Yeah, I
there you
already loosened the screw. There's a screw on both sides. See? Yeah.
Okay.
Then slowly take it out.
Yeah.
Then you will see this. This is where you hold your two fingers here and slowly
Okay.
take out the battery.
Sure.
Yeah, so just take it out.
How many batteries are you changing?
These four batteries, double A.
Okay.
Double A. So you take it out. Make sure you put the positive and negative side of the battery. Okay.
Right, and then?
And then put it back again. Like this. Slowly. See, the light comes out. And the
Okay.
sound. Yeah. And then
Screw it back.
screw it back. If you don't have a tools like this, you can use the ordinary screwdriver. This one is faster. That's why I use this one. Okay,
Alright.
done.
Good job, Dad.
Yeah,
Well done.
done.
Perfect. So now, everyone, that's how you're going to change the battery of an electronic lock. Bye now.
Bye.